Here you can see some diagrams that we are going to convert into numbers. In the first column, we are going to write down the mixed numbers, and in the second column, the improper fractions. So what I can see here is that my whole here, the circle, has been divided in two. So that means that we are working with halves. There we go. I put a 2 in the denominator. And of those halves, I've got 1, 2, 3. So there you go. That is what we mean by improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. Now, as a mixed number, I can see I've got 1 whole here and a half here. So 1 whole, and then of those halves, I've got 1 here. Let's try another example. Let's start with the mixed numbers first. I've got circles again. 1, 2, 3 whole circles. My circles have been divided in two. So you can see each circle is made up of 2 parts. So that 2 goes in the denominator. And of those, I've got 1 left here. 3.5. To write the improper fraction, again, the 2 goes in the denominator because that's the number of parts I've got per whole. And the number of halves that I've got in total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Let's try a completely different one before you can have a go by yourself. So let's go towards the end here. I've got here 1 whole, as you can see, 1 whole pentagon. Whoops, not the nicest one you've ever seen. And this pentagon was divided in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. So that means in my denominator, I'm going to put 5. So I've got 1 whole and then 1, 2, 3, 4 of those fifths there. So 5 parts per whole. So I'll put that 5 in the denominator. And let's count them all to find the improper fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts make a whole. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of those fifths. Press pause on your video and have a go to see how